Valentine's cake recipe. We will need 8 large eggs, 160 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 260 grams of granulated sugar, pink food coloring. Preparation. Separate the eggs into whites and yolks. Sift the flour, baking powder, and pinch of salt.
Is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking. It's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder.
Whisk the egg whites.
Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing.
Gradually add the granulated sugar and beat until the batter is light and fluffy.
Loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional.
Lightly beat the egg yolks with a fork and gently add them into the batter.
Yeah, I want your body too.
Mix well.
Body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes
Add the sifted flour mixture and gently mix with a spatula.
Your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people.
Divide the batter into 2 equal parts.
Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you.
Color 1/2 of the butter with pink food coloring.
And sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too.
Pour the batters into prepared cake tins.
And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you.
And bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.
I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body.
Meanwhile, prepare the filling. We will need 400 milliliters of heavy cream, 250 grams of mascarpone, 100 grams of soft cheese, 120 grams of granulated sugar, 8 grams of vanilla sugar. Preparation. Pour the heavy cream into a bowl and add the mascarpone, soft cheese, granulated sugar, and vanilla sugar. Mix well until the cream is light and fluffy. Once the sponges are baked and cooled, cut thin layers off the tops of each sponge cake.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like
Crumble the cuts off using a mixer.
don't know what you're thinking. It's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers. 'Cause I'm
Cut each sponge cake in half horizontally.
How to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your loving on me. Loving on me.
Place the first layer of pink sponge on the work surface. and spread the cream evenly over it.
I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body.
Place the first half of the light sponge on top and spread with cream again.
It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too.
Add the second half of the pink sponge.
Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people will try.
Spread with cream.
Than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away?
And cover with the second half of the light sponge. Cover the entire cake with cream.
You won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me.
Sprinkle the cake with the crushed sponge crumbs.
Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away.
And shape hearts according to your imagination.
Sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
Enjoy.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me